Why on earth would you live on hot dogs and hamburgers while you're camping when there's so many easy, delicious recipes you can make? I'm going to be sharing 4 different dinners as well as some really cool tree carvings and our beautiful Canadian Mounties. First, I'm sharing a really easy Sloppy Joe recipe. It comes out of a package and it's super simple. And I'm just serving that with a toasted bun with cucumber and some carrots and red pepper hummus. It's delicious. Next, we're having just a bag Caesar salad, and I smoked some kubasa on our smoker, and as well as some veg, which is some carrot or cucumber and red pepper hummus again. Also easy and delicious. This dish comes from a box. It is jambalaya, and I found this recently. It is my go-to. There's the box. All you have to do is add some meat to this. So I added some spicy Italian sausage as well as a green pepper, and it was so good. It is steak night. So we smoked some steak as well as some corn and a baked potato. So this is like just basic food, but you know what? It was simple and it was delicious, and yeah, that was our last supper of our camping season. Thank you all so much for your support and watching. And if you would like to see more videos on mostly food, subscribe, like, and hype this video. I really appreciate it, and see you later.